The California black bear population is booming, and sightings in urban areas are becoming more common. But why is this happening? And what impact does this have on local residents, hunters, and outdoor enthusiasts? In today's video, we'll explore the reasons behind the rapid increase in black bear numbers, their growing presence in cities, and the impact on people's daily lives. Stay tuned to witness encounters with black bears and even wild hogs across the state. Black bears are wandering into residential areas in California. They search for food in garbage bins, climb trees in neighborhoods, and even break into homes to find food. Their increasing presence in urban areas is not just a nuisance, but also a challenge for wildlife management. What's driven black bears so close to our homes? In recent years, California has faced a series of severe wildfires. With over 990,000 hectares of forest burned, food and shelter for bears have become scarce, forcing them to seek alternative food sources. Many animals compete directly with bears for food, making resources even scarcer. This not only affects the health of black bears, but also influences their behavior, making them bolder in venturing into human areas for food. And this is why you may see more black bears appearing in urban areas or even on farms. Black bears are omnivores and very clever at finding food. One of their favorite foods is honey and larvae inside beehives. The sweet and nutritious aroma of honey is irresistible to black bears, driving them to intrude into human areas. Beekeepers in forest-adjacent urban areas in California have witnessed black bears using their immense strength to smash beehives, not just to get honey, but also to eat the larvae inside. This not only causes material damage, but also severely injures bee colonies, affecting future honey production. Each time a black bear destroys a hive, beekeepers can lose thousands of dollars. Facing heavy losses, they're forced to invest in bear intrusion prevention measures. Electric fences are an excellent tool for protecting beehives from black bears and wild hogs in California. Unwanted encounters between black bears and humans can lead to serious consequences. Managing the black bear population through hunting is an effective conservation measure. To participate in black bear hunting in California, you first need to understand the black bear hunting regulations and meet the hunting license requirements. Every hunter needs to have a valid license before participating in black bear hunting. This license not only ensures that you're hunting legally, but also helps manage the number of black bears hunted each year.
Oh, thank you, Jesus. Look at this.
The hunting season is also strictly regulated to ensure that hunting activities do not affect the bear's breeding and rearing periods. California has specific regulations on the type of guns and bows allowed for bear hunting. Complying with these regulations not only protects you from legal issues, but also helps protect the black bear population, ensuring that hunting is conducted responsibly. Black bear hunting requires not only patience, but also specialized hunting skills. Before stepping into the forest, hunters understand the habits of black bears, from their favorite foods to their usual areas. These experiences come from actual observation, and I have a piece of advice for new hunters. Take the time to learn from veteran hunters. Hunting bears is not like hunting wild boars. They are extremely sensitive and have a good sense of smell. Keeping quiet, choosing the right wind direction, and knowing how to hide are crucial factors for success. Black bears are powerful animals and can react very quickly when they feel threatened. They can cause serious injuries to hunters. That's why understanding their behavior and safe approaches is extremely important when hunting bears. In California, using bait to lure bears is a common method. Hunters always understand which types of bait are allowed and how to place the bait most effectively. Camera traps are also a useful tool to help hunters monitor bear activity before deciding to act. Thanks to these methods, the number of invasive bears has been significantly reduced by about 30% in the States. This reduction has brought a greater sense of safety to the community, allowing them to coexist more safely with the surrounding wildlife while supporting conservation efforts to ensure a balanced ecosystem. Do you agree with this method? If so, please like this video or leave a comment to share your opinion. In the US each year, there are about 10,000 bear-related incidents in residential areas and farms, causing economic damage up to millions of dollars. So why is this? One of the main reasons brown bears invade human areas is leftover food at campsites. Studies show that over 2,000 incidents of bears scavenging for food at campsites are recorded each year, posing risks to people. Brown bears do not stop at scavenging food at campsites. They frequently search for food in trash cans in residential areas and farms. It's estimated that up to 15% of bears enter US cities due to attraction to food sources from trash. The situation worsens as bears move closer to livestock farms, especially pig farms. In 2023, over 1,500 cases of bears attacking livestock were recorded, causing hundreds of thousands of dollars in damage to farmers. The most common and widely used measure to protect property and people from bear attacks is installing bear traps. According to the Wildlife Control Agency, approximately 3,000 bear traps are installed annually across high-risk areas nationwide. Bear traps are a specialized tool designed to capture without causing severe injury to the bear. Traps are usually made from sturdy metal. When a bear accidentally steps on it, the trap mechanism closes, holding the bear's foot tightly but not enough to cause injury. Traps are often equipped with GPS sensors to track the bear's location, helping authorities to detect and intervene promptly, relocating them to safer areas. Monitoring bear activity through cameras and modern surveillance equipment is the next step, helping farmers understand the timing and habits of bears when approaching bait. When facing a bear, shooting technique plays a crucial role in determining the success of the hunt. High-caliber rifles with good penetration capabilities are usually the top choice for hunters. Hunters must maintain their stance, aiming at vulnerable points of the bear, such as the head or chest, to ensure a quick and accurate kill. Cold weather often reduces bear activity and gives hunters an advantage, but it also requires proper gear. Waterproof clothing, specialized hunting boots and insulated gloves are essential to protect against harsh weather conditions. To protect farms and livestock, many American farmers have turned to bear hunting using professional hunting dogs. Hunting dogs such as hounds have the ability to track bears and keep them under control for hunters. The role of hunting dogs is tracking and monitoring bears. Hunting dogs play a crucial role in tracking and monitoring giant bears hiding in forested areas. Thanks to their keen sense of smell, hunting dogs can detect bear scents from afar, helping hunters pinpoint their location. To hunt brown bears, hunters need a valid hunting permit issued by wildlife management authorities. This permit usually requires hunters to undergo training courses on safety and hunting skills. One of the most important regulations in bear hunting is the limit on the number of bears that can be hunted each season. Each year, wildlife management agencies evaluate and announce the maximum number of bears that can be hunted. Hunting dogs are often equipped with special armor, with a cut-resistant layer about 1 centimeter thick, to protect them from the bear claws and teeth. GPS devices attached to the dog's collars help hunters track their positions throughout the hunting process. Hunters can quickly reach and rescue dogs in danger thanks to this device. Bear hunting is not just a hunt, but also a battle of wits with the wild. Comment 1 if you support the American hunters' use of guns in bear hunting. If you do not support it, please comment 0 and provide reasons for your disagreement in the comments below. Thank you for watching the entire video. Hello, my friend. Did you know that in Alaska, the black bear population has undergone significant changes over the past few decades? Historically, black bears were relatively rare, living in remote forests far from human settlements. However, in recent decades, their presence has become increasingly common, leading to more frequent encounters with humans. According to the Alaska Department of Fish and Game, the black bear population is estimated to range from between 100 and 200,000 individuals. This increase is due to successful conservation efforts, changes in available habitat, and abundant food sources. Black bears are opportunistic feeders and highly adaptable, consuming a varied diet that includes berries, nuts, insects, and carrion. However, with the expansion of human settlements and recreational activities, bears have gained access to human-generated food sources such as trash, pet food, and agricultural crops. As a result, bears are losing their natural wariness of humans, leading to more frequent encounters and potential conflicts. Last year alone, more than 250 black bear attacks were recorded, causing an estimated $1.5 million in damages. Most of these attacks occurred in areas with human populations and recreational activities. The Kenai Peninsula has reported a significant increase in incidents, with many attacks occurring near popular hiking trails and camping sites. In Anchorage, where urban expansion meets bear territory, interactions are frequent, with over 1,000 cases reported in the past year. To address the growing threat posed by black bear interactions, state and local authorities have implemented a range of strategies to reduce conflict and enhance public safety. One of the most important measures taken by wildlife management agencies is the implementation of regulated hunting activities to reduce bear numbers and minimize the risk of attacks. Currently, there are about 100,000 bears in Alaska, and wildlife management agencies have set a goal to reduce the population to around 50,000. To address population goals, Alaska has implemented specific hunting regulations. Only individuals over 18 years old, in good health and with experience in black bear behavior are eligible to participate. Hunters in Alaska must use government-licensed firearms, ensuring that all guns meet specific safety and performance standards. An effective technique used by hunters is tracking bear footprints, which can be up to 10 inches in size. Experienced hunters often analyze the depth and pattern of footprints to estimate the bear's speed and recent activity. This method requires skill and knowledge of bear habits, as well as the ability to navigate rugged and often dangerous terrain. The Alaskan government has established strict hunting policies to balance population control with conservation efforts. Bear hunting is only allowed during designated seasons, carefully determined based on population studies and ecological considerations. In 2023, the hunting season recorded the heaviest bear at 800 pounds, highlighting the presence of large and healthy individuals in the population. Controlled hunting has effectively contributed to a 15% reduction in bear attacks, demonstrating the success of the management strategy. In addition to hunting measures, educational campaigns and community awareness initiatives have become essential tools in addressing the growing black bear issue. These initiatives aim to inform residents and visitors about proper food storage, waste management, and how to behave when encountering bears. By reducing attractants and promoting bear-safe practices, communities can help minimize the risks from negative interactions. Through the implementation of regulated hunting activities, Alaska aims to manage the black bear population effectively while minimizing human-bear conflicts. Have you ever experienced hunting in Alaska? Or is it something on your bucket list? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below, and let's continue the conversation.
Hello, my friend. Today, we embark on an exciting journey to explore the challenges and strategies involved in managing invasive species such as wild boars, bears, and coyotes in Texas. These animals are not only part of nature, but also factors that have serious impacts on agriculture and the ecosystem of this land. Their population increase and invasive behaviors have led to estimated damages of around $52 million annually, creating significant pressures on farmers and local authorities. Wild boars have become one of the most notable wildlife species and a major threat to Texas agriculture. Since being introduced to the U.S. in the 16th century, wild boars have adapted well to the local environment and quickly grown into a large population. They have a high reproduction rate. Each female can have multiple litters each year, with each litter consisting of 6 to 10 piglets. This leads to a rapid increase in numbers, placing significant pressure on farms and natural ecosystems. To control the increase of the wild boar population, Texas has implemented several strict hunting measures. Hunters are allowed to use specific firearms, such as the Winchester .308 rifle or .44 Magnum revolver, while automatic and semi-automatic guns are prohibited. This regulation aims to ensure safety for hunters and protect the ecosystem. The use of large caliber guns not only enhances the killing capacity, but also ensures that hunters can protect themselves in dangerous situations, especially when facing wild boars that can become aggressive when cornered or protecting their young. During the hunting season, which lasts from September to March each year, hunters can hunt wild boars without limit on the number. This differs from other species like bears, which have stricter regulations regarding numbers and hunting times. Texas also leads the nation in wild boar attacks on hunters. Hunters need to be well versed in safety rules, such as never going alone while hunting, using protective gear, and always keeping firearms in a safe condition when not in use. Participating in hunting safety training courses is also encouraged to minimize risks for both hunters and wildlife. Bears, powerful and formidable creatures, have become a significant threat to farmers in Texas. According to the Texas Parks and Wildlife Department, TPWD, with their keen sense of smell and excellent foraging abilities, bears often invade cultivated areas, leading to crop destruction and estimated damages of up to $15 million annually. The rapid increase in black bear populations, especially in East Texas, has raised concerns among the farming community and driven the demand for stricter management measures to protect crops and the natural ecosystem. The increase in bear populations not only causes economic damage, but also poses dangers to local residents. Bears can become aggressive when they feel threatened or when searching for food, especially during the summer months when food becomes scarce. Numerous incidents have occurred where bears invade residential areas, injuring livestock or even attacking humans. To address this issue, wildlife management agencies have implemented strict regulations regarding bear hunting. One of the most important regulations is the prohibition of hunting mother bears with cubs or bears under 2 years old. These regulations aim not only to protect future generations of bears, but also to maintain ecological balance in their habitats. Hunters who violate these rules face severe penalties, including the revocation of hunting licenses and fines of up to $5,000. These measures serve not only as a deterrent, but also contribute to raising community awareness about the importance of wildlife conservation and their habitats. Coyotes, with their intelligence and high adaptability, have become one of the most notable wildlife species in the ecosystem. They are not only effective predators, but also play a crucial role in maintaining natural balance. Managing coyotes is very important, as uncontrolled increases can lead to negative impacts on agriculture and the environment. Each year, only 500 to 700 licensed hunters are allowed to hunt coyotes. These regulations ensure that hunting occurs in a controlled manner, helping to maintain coyote populations at reasonable levels. Hunting is restricted to open grasslands or mountainous areas where coyotes typically reside and operate. Hunting policies have successfully reduced the prairie coyote population to about 4,000 to 5,000, thereby minimizing agricultural damages to around $1 million annually. Thank you for watching the video. We hope these wonderful moments have given you excitement and exploration into the world of wild hunting. See you in the next videos. The presence of monkeys in various regions of the US presents significant challenges for both hunters and farmers. as these primates continue to adapt and thrive in diverse environments. Let's explore the complexities surrounding American hunters and farmers in dealing with monkey populations, considering ecological, economic, and social impacts. In urban areas near forests, monkeys begin searching for food in human settlements, leading to an increasing number of conflicts. Every year, more than 500 monkey attacks are recorded, ranging from simple food thefts to more dramatic encounters. The root of the problem lies in the depletion of natural resources for these intelligent creatures. Their food sources and natural shelters are also gradually disappearing. Habitat changes have disrupted the balance between humans and wildlife, turning once docile creatures into unwelcome invaders. What seemed like playful antics have resulted in numerous victims being seriously injured. Vehicles are damaged, buildings are ransacked, and even young girls have become targets of attacks. Their ability to adapt to human environments only exacerbates the problem, turning busy streets into battlefields of conflict. To respond, the states introduced a controversial initiative in 2021, the controlled hunting of wild monkeys. Managed tightly, the program allows only licensed hunters over 18 with appropriate weapon certifications to participate. Hunting is only permitted in designated rural and suburban areas, and targeting young or pregnant primates is prohibited.
There we go.
Hunting wild monkeys is not for the faint-hearted. Highly intelligent animals like monkeys often live in small groups with a tight social structure and sharp observation skills. This makes approaching them a significant challenge for hunters. To succeed, hunters need exceptional camouflage skills, blending into the surrounding environment to avoid detection. Patience is essential, as any movement or sound could alert the monkeys and make them flee. most important is the ability to read the behavior of primates, from the smallest gestures to warning signals within the group. Only by understanding their psychology and habits can hunters approach them without disrupting the delicate balance of nature. In Florida, the rhesus monkey population has become the focus for both farmers and wildlife managers. These monkeys were introduced in the 1930s, and since then, their population has grown significantly. Farmers in the area have struggled with crop damage, leading to the implementation of various management strategies. State wildlife agencies have also taken a proactive approach by monitoring populations and facilitating controlled hunting activities.
On the bait for the birds to come in. That's amazing.
Hunting monkeys with a bow is a challenge that requires extraordinary skill and finesse. To approach the target, hunters must know how to blend into the environment completely, using camouflage clothing and moving silently to avoid drawing attention. The technique of using a bow in monkey hunting is also an art. A precise shot requires not only strength, but also high focus and distance estimation skills. The archer must choose the perfect moment, often when the prey pauses or is not directly observing. A hunter recounted a challenging chase on one morning. Equipped with a camouflage tent, ripe fruit as bait, and a reliable bow, the hunter waited silently for hours. Finally, a group of 15 monkeys approached the bait. These hunters are tracking the monkey's trail and preparing bait to lure the group. They hunt monkeys using blowguns, a traditional method. Unlike bows, blowguns use small darts, often coated with sedatives or mild toxins to take down the target quietly, allowing hunters to maintain the element of surprise. If you want to learn more about this fascinating and urgent topic, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Together, we can explore the wild stories shaping our world.
Hey, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, click the like button and subscribe. And of course, if you have any comments, you know where to leave them, just below. Okay, I hope to see you again in tomorrow's next great adventure.